How to handle adversity like a rich man. I can always tell if someone is either rich or on his way to riches by the way he handles adversity, stuff going wrong, stuff melting down. If the sky is blue and nothing is going on, then everyone is stable and calm and cool and collected and intelligent and they take responsibility because there's nothing to take responsibility for, right? But when shit starts hitting the fan and things start going wrong, you see through people. You see who they really are. They become whiny. They sit in a corner and cry. They become emotional. They point fingers at you. And it's embarrassing to see someone sort of breaking down, coming apart like a cheap suit in a rainstorm. What I want you to do, if things don't go your way, which will be the majority of the cases, first off, realize that no one cares. Don't whine, don't cry, don't beg, don't go to some forum and cry about what happened to you and how bad it is. Don't. Stop whining. Take a deep breath, realize that no one cares. Survey the board, the chessboard. What's the next best move? Is it something you can do? Then get to work and do it. And if you're still like worked up about it, emotional about it, first go do something else. Like if it's not extremely urgent, go take that kettlebell or that barbell and do some burpees, do some kettlebell swings, whatever you need to do. Take a walk, get back. Now that you're stable, get to work. In many cases, the more powerful move will probably be to use your network. My network is pretty decent. Most people's network is pretty shit. So if you want to upgrade your network immediately, I advise you to check out Hustlers University 2.0. I'm a professor there. It's unless you hate money. So if you hate money, please unsubscribe and we won't get along anyway. But if you like money and if you like making money, then make sure you get in there. It's probably the most powerful network in the world focused on building skills, making money, multiplying money, investment, crypto, anything you can think about, it's in there. So check that out. And while you're at this, check out the other videos that I made for you because I think you'll enjoy them very much.